In recent developments, President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni has proposed a compromise to resolve the conflict between the Japadhola and the Teso communities by elevating Tororo Municipality to city status to accommodate both communities in order to resolve their long-lasting conflicts. This was addressed yesterday by His Excellency at a meeting held at State House in Entebbe.
New breakthrough is Tororo City as a neutral unit. This is the most important. Then the second one is bringing service nearer to our people in two ways. As somebody has said, or both has said, you can even say Mbare district, Mbare city. It can be both. You have Mbare district and Mbare city. Or you have Mbara district and Mbara city. It wouldn't matter. Or you can have Tororo city and Mukuju.
With the proposal of Tororo Municipality becoming a neutral city, 3 new districts have also been formulated, namely Mukoju, Mulanda, and the third to be named by the 2 ethnic groups. The president advised the group to engage in peaceful discussions while naming the 3rd district after a disagreement erupted between the 2 groups on naming it Tororo.
So, the new districts which come out of Tororo, if they have their own names, what will happen? What we want is service to the people.
The prolonged ethnic contest has stalled development in the region for a long time, and the president emphasized that service delivery should take priority over ethnic divisions.
You fellows, you are preserving the backwardness. In that area, you go there. I normally keep begging my friend, the Ocho introduced fruits. I supported him. Up to now, nobody has ever taken up those fruits. The 4 acres model. So instead of even the money we're going to divert on these districts, it should go for the PDM. We should emphasize that, so that your people get out of poverty.
In a bid to create fairness and restore balance, the president stated that the Japadhola would receive 2 new districts, including Mulanda and the 3rd district, whose name is yet to be determined.
So whichever you decide, the crucial points are 2. The naming doesn't matter. What matters is the city is now neutral. Secondly, you create 2 administrative units on the Badama side.
Tororo is a town, and the administrative headquarters of Tororo district are in the eastern region of Uganda, with the Teso and Japadhola ethnic groups inhabiting the region, and is comprised of the counties of Palise, Budama Bugwere, Bonyole, West Budama, Tororo, and Samie Bugwe.